I'm Ijia Shi. I'm going to talk about flipping the classroom. Flipping the classroom is a new education method. It's a combination of individual online learning outside the classroom and interactive group learning inside the classroom. Students can watch lecture videos online and spend time on learning activities in the classroom. The flipped classrooms gives extra time for learning activities. Students can spend more time on group work and projects. From the professor at UCI, teachers' preparation is essential in flipped classrooms. He recommends that teachers have to be careful of the quality of pre-class instructions and to make concise videos. Theories that justify the flipped classroom focus on learning styles, which each individual has own unique learning style. Collaborative learning, which students work together to reach the goal. Problem-based learning, focus on student-centered learning. And active learning, engage students in the learning process, act as a superset for peer-assisted and problem-based learning. Next, I'm going to talk about advantages of the flipped classrooms. Many studies show that flipped classrooms increase collaboration and learning gains than traditional lecture method. It also can enrich the classroom because students can spend more time on group work and projects. Students can learn in their own place because videos can watch again and again. They can watch the video on the way to home and school on their cell phones. Justin from Harvard is optimistic about flipping the classroom, since students can help each other in the classroom and they come to class prepared. For the teachers, flipping can help teachers to target students who really need the help because students cannot hide or pretend they understand the questions anymore in flipped classrooms. Teachers can engage with students more in flipped classrooms. From the research, there are also some challenges of flipped classrooms. There are disadvantages for students who are not self-disciplined. There are possible technology problems. I think the flipped classroom is a great method for students and teachers. Students come up questions after thinking deep by themselves, and students come to class prepared. They can communicate better because they are on the same level. Students also can review the lecture videos many times as they want. Teachers can use the same material for next year, and they have more time to other needs. Also, parents can also learn with students at home, and they can help students to solve problems. I think technology really enhances education methods and efficiency. The flipped classroom is a combination of in-class activities and the lecture videos outside of the classroom. The learning is not a school-based process anymore. It's a combination of teachers, students, and parents. They can work together to help students to learn better. The flipped classrooms also promotes the development of new educational methods. Educators and researchers now have more space to invent more effective educational methods. Thank you.